Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to switch the front camera. So let's take one photo with this feature enabled, just for an example, and I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So you go to settings, then go to photos, and here you have selfie photo mirror. So as you can see, I had this feature disabled, but to show you the difference, I'm gonna take another photo with this feature enabled, and you can see. So here we have lightning coming from the right side, and here we have it from the left side. So like on the mirror photo it comes from the right side, but it's actually like from the right side. So yeah, you can see like how shadow falls here. So yeah, that's how you can easily switch this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.